Hello and welcome back everyone. My name is Amit Vakar and I'm the person, the voice, the editor, the pretty much everything behind Study of the Dentist. So if you've been following this channel from the start, then you know that this channel is all about animated lectures and lessons, and I'm truly grateful that you found that really helpful and engaging. But today it's going to be a little bit different. This is actually my first to-face video, so a quick introduction about myself. As I already stated, my name is Amit Vakar. I'm a foreign trained dentist from Pakistan. I did my graduation in 2021, and in end of 2022 I completed my house job, which is a one-year compulsory internship that you must do in Pakistan in order to obtain your permanent dental license. Then in 2023 I moved to Germany, and since last 2 years I have been continuing my dental journey in Germany. And because of my full-time job and upcoming dental license exams, some of which I've already given, some of which I have to give, I haven't been that much active on this channel as I wanted to be, because animation, script writing, editing, all of that takes a lot of time, especially when I'm doing everything on my own. So going forward, this channel will now also feature study and exam tips, clinical insights, guides for foreign trained dentists, among many other things. That is not to say that I will stop making educational content. I will still be making educational content, but now with a more personal and direct approach. This way the channel can still remain active and engaging. So if you are someone who is preparing for dental exams or just passionate about the field in general, then this channel will be helpful for you. So one last thing before I end this video, just a small personal note. As you can already tell, public speaking has never been a good skill of mine, especially speaking in front of the camera in a third language like English. I always have problems. I always have struggled in that. So you may notice some mistakes, some sharp cuts or pauses, or maybe some strong accent, and I personally believe that is completely fine, because it's much more important to show up and actually share your knowledge rather than waiting for it to be perfect. I am working on improving this with each and every video, and I really appreciate your patience and support as we grow together. As always, thank you for staying till the end and supporting this channel. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Stay safe and goodbye.